Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization in here. About 7x, I will put into negative 2x, negative 5x. Number 25, that's about 5 square. So we have the formula in here. A square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is about a, this is about b. We apply the formula in here and you got about a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So you got about s minus 5, s plus 5. So we have s and s. We can do about factorization by s. We have negative number 5 and number 10. We can do another factorization by negative number 5. So we have s minus 2. We can do about factorization. And now we need to simplify s minus 5 on numerator and denominator. And then we put number 5 and number 5 cone here. You got about 3 over 10. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. For this one, we just put number 0 cone here. And we got the final answer. So we just have only negative number 2 to the power of 5. And this one you got negative 32. And this is the final answer. So question number 3. We apply the same formula in here. That's it from here. So this one you got about s minus 1, s plus 1. About numerator, that's about a minus b. We need to create about a square minus b square because b square can cancel about the square root. So we want to eliminate about the square root. We need to have the power 2. To create about this one, we need to multiply by 4 plus the square root of s plus 15 on numerator and denominator. So this one, we put about 4 square minus s plus 15. Because we have the power 2, that's why we don't have the square root. So this one you got about 16. We open parentheses, you got about negative s, negative 15. So 16 minus 15, you got about number 1. So we put the negative on numerator and denominator in here. Negative with s minus 1, we can change the sign into 1 minus s. So 1 minus s divided by 1 minus s, we cancel. And now we can put number 1 cone here and here. So we calculate about this one and you got about negative 1 over 16. This is the end. Thank you for watching.